Hey y'all, Shayluvhair here. Thank you for stopping by my channel, Shayluvhair. Today we're going to be refreshing this Kima Ripple Deep crochet style that I have installed. I've had it in a few weeks and we're just going to see if we can tame it, get the frizz back out, and see if we can wear it for a few more weeks and everything. So let's get started. Okay, so let me zoom in. Let me get in here. Y'all see this? Like, it's still cute. Like, back it up. It's still cute. But it's like frizzy. Now, there are like protective things that you should do with your own hair underneath here. If you sweat, if you've been exercising or whatever, then you probably need to wash it. If you need to wash it, go ahead and wash it. Wash around the edges really good to get rid of any gel that, or, a buildup or anything around your edges. If you're not going to wash it, I mean, that's cool too. Like, I don't sweat in my hair and I definitely haven't been working out. So it's really not, in any shape right now for me to have to wash it if I was going to proceed with wearing this style. So I want to see if we can bring this back. I am not going to be wearing this style past either today or tomorrow, just because I'm kind of behind schedule with reviewing some other hair from some different companies. So I really can't wear this hair, any longer. So I get a lot of questions about this hair because it's a looser curl, which means it's a lot more work. And yes, it does frizz up. It is high maintenance hair. So I want to, test it out, see if my new method of brushing it out, if it works on the refresh. If it doesn't, then I can tell you a way to kind of make it a bit cuter to get a couple more weeks out of it. But hopefully this method of us combing it out and everything, it works and brings it back to its full glory. So, but as you see, like, y'all know I live dangerously, so y'all know I don't do no shower caps, no bonnets, no nothing like that. So this is probably 5 weeks of wear for somebody who actually takes care of the hair. But for me, it's only gonna be about 3 weeks because I don't wear shower caps, I don't wear bonnets. I put it up in a bun, I go to sleep, I wake up and I take it down and I might mix it with some water and I'm out. So with that being said, of course, it gets, frizzy and my bad. And let's see, like, yeah, like it's matted back here. See, it kind of moves as a unit. It's like clumps. So I don't know. Let's see if we can work this thing out. Now, if I was keeping this hair in, once I have washed it, if I had a desire to wash it, once I made sure the buildup is gone around my edges. I'm sorry, y'all, I'm being nosy. My neighbor just walked through the door. Looked like he had food. Wanted to see what it was. Anyway, so once you are done washing your hair, if that's what you desire to do, once you get the buildup from around your edges and everything, you want to go through and moisturize your hair. I like stuff with spouts on it. This is a new one that I've been using. It's, well, I've always used vitamin E, but I always get it from like the pharmacy side. But this is for the hair. Then I usually don't use this, but anyway, it's for children and it's vitamin E oil and soybean oil. I would use something like this and go through my parts and moisturize my scalp really good. I'm not going to waste that product because, like I said, I'm going to take this out and wash my hair so that I can do this other installation where then I will moisturize it. So I'm not going to do it now. But, you know, just make sure that you're taking care of your own hair underneath the crochet style, because that, you know, makes the entire difference, because it's not a protective style if your hair is not protected underneath. Okay. But anyway, I am going to take my mister and I'm going to spray this hair. Move that extension cord out the way. But we end up with a whole new hairdo. Now I might end up using some oil because it might just like help me to, like, you know, just give some slippage to the hair. I really don't want to. I don't want to use my product on synthetic hair, but I might. We'll see if we need it. So I'm just going to use my wide tooth comb and start at the bottom. I'm going to hold this hair firmly so, you know, it won't put tension on your cornrows. So I'm going to hold this hair and just kind of brush it. Working. Oh, it's laundry he's bringing in, y'all. I swear I seen a bag though. But I ain't want to gossip, so you ain't heard that from me. But anyway. Okay, so right now it's doing okay with just the water. Okay, that did pretty good. This top portion. Hold firmly. And yeah, it might be like little stuff like that, but you can clip that off at the end, so don't worry about that. Brush that. I'm just gonna mist it just a little bit more. And then I'm going to twist it. I'm trying to decide if I want to do a twist, double twist. Yeah. So I'm gonna twist it, like twist each leg separately and then around each other. Like you're doing, I think Havana twist is like that. Now, if you did not comb this hair out to cut it like we did in our installation video, then it's probably not gonna stay, the twist is not gonna stay on its own. So if that's the case, use a rubber band to secure the ends. But if it's already kind of tapered off because we brushed it initially, it's gonna stay. So it should be fine. Okay. out, twisting them up. If you have the time, sleep with them overnight, you know, like put a satin bonnet on, tie it up, whatever, and then take it down in the morning. But since I don't have that kind of time today, we're gonna just fast forward this thing, and I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit just to, that's like the biggest truck in the world. I'm sorry if y'all heard that. Anyway, so I'm going to let this sit for a while, probably an hour, but maybe not, I don't know, something like that, and just enough to kind of let it dry. And then I'm gonna take it down and we'll trim it up and see what we're working with.
A few moments later.
Now of course, if I was like getting ready to go, I would lay my edges back down and all of that good stuff, but I'm sure you sis know how to do that already, so we ain't gonna do that because I'm gonna be taking it out. So all right, I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of trim the ends of this that I know I'm not gonna keep anyway. Make it a little easier to unravel. I'm just untwisting it. Breaking it up, the curl that we had formed when we twisted it, you know, it's kind of sticking together. So it probably wouldn't do it so much if it wasn't still damp. So if you let it dry overnight, you probably won't have that problem. I'm just breaking these up basically. If I was to wear it another week, which I really enjoyed this hair, so I kind of want to keep it, but like I said, I'm behind schedule, so I can't. But if I was to wear it another week, I would cut it to about right here. Not because I need to, just because I think it would be like a cute, flirty bob for summer. So if any of y'all do that, send me a picture or something, tag me on Instagram, because I would really like to see it. But I think it would be super cute to just have like a chin length bob. I should do it, huh? I should just cut it for the hell of it, right? You know what? I give it an A+. I give it a 10 out of 10 because, I mean, the snapback was real. And all we did was use water. We didn't even use product. And this ain't even dry all the way. So if it had a chance to like dry and actually set, yeah. Okay, so all right, sis, so it worked. So y'all go ahead and brush it out, twist it and everything to bring it back to life, and you can get you a few more weeks out of this hair. So let me know what y'all think. If y'all enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit me in the comments with any questions. Make sure that you follow me on all of my social media platforms. That's We Love Hair on our Facebook group, and it's Shayluvhair on Instagram, and Shayluvhair on Snapchat. So I'm gonna go and cut this hair. I don't know if I'll record it or not. I guess we'll see. I don't know. But anyway, but I'm definitely gonna cut it just to see how it would look, because I'm really feeling like a little short bob. If it isn't just for another 45 minutes of the day, I know I got a problem. Anyway, thank you guys so much for all your love and support. Thank you for chatting with me today, and I'll see you next time. Peace and blessings.